Having tested 18 ball trimmers over the past 3 months, I've identified the 5 models that provide safe and effective grooming results. We evaluated comfort, blade durability, and waterproof performance to determine which trimmers are worth considering. Each trimmer has unique features, so check out the full list to see which one suits you best. Links to the best current prices are in the description. Number 5. Meridian Body Hair Trimmer. For anyone who's experienced the discomfort of nicks and cuts during intimate grooming, this trimmer offers a welcome solution. Its standout feature, complete waterproof functionality, transforms your shower into an ideal grooming space, making cleanup effortless and keeping your routine mess-free. Compared to the XYZ trimmer, which lacks waterproof capabilities, the Meridian offers a more convenient and versatile grooming experience. The advanced blade technology shows thoughtful engineering, designed to protect sensitive areas from cuts and nicks. During testing, it proved exceptionally capable at handling curved surfaces where conventional razors typically fall short. The well-conceived ergonomic design creates a natural grip, delivering the precise control essential for detailed grooming. Unlike the ABC razor, which can be cumbersome, the Meridian's design ensures ease of use and precision. The performance extends beyond design alone. With an impressive 90-minute runtime per charge, this trimmer delivers extended use between power-ups. Regular grooming sessions can continue for weeks before requiring a recharge, surpassing the DF trimmer's 60-minute runtime. The robust construction suggests long-term durability, reflecting quality manufacturing standards. A key point is that this device maintains a short hair length rather than providing a completely smooth finish like traditional razors. However, this deliberate design choice helps users avoid common issues like ingrown hairs and skin irritation, which many find preferable for regular maintenance. This feature sets it apart from the GHI razor, which may lead to more frequent skin irritation. The trimmer's adaptability deserves recognition. It performs consistently across all body areas, from broader surfaces to more delicate zones. The inclusion of both a warranty and a protective guarantee shows the manufacturer's commitment to user safety and satisfaction, a feature not always found in similar products. This tool particularly suits those who've struggled with traditional razors. Its combination of precision engineering and protective features creates a reliable grooming solution that both newcomers and experienced users will appreciate. The thoughtful design makes it a valuable addition to any personal care routine. You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Number 4. The Wahl Stainless Steel Cordless Beard Trimmer brings professional-level grooming to your home. If you've ever been frustrated by trimmers that snag or unexpectedly lose power, this robust device offers a reliable solution with its sturdy stainless steel construction and expertly crafted self-sharpening blades. While the Meridian body hair trimmer is waterproof, the Wahl model focuses on precision and power, making it perfect for detailed grooming. A key feature of this trimmer is its adaptable 3-head system, which makes it a comprehensive grooming tool. The main T-blade is excellent for beard and body grooming. The precision head allows for sharp, clean lines, and the rotary attachment effortlessly manages nose and ear grooming, offering more specialized options than the Meridian's general-purpose design. Battery life is also a strong point, providing extended usage on a single charge and ensuring reliability during grooming sessions. The quick charge feature offers several minutes of use from a brief charge, making it great for last-minute grooming needs. This is advantageous compared to other models lacking quick charge capabilities, ensuring you're always prepared. The trimmer's versatility is shown through its extensive control options. With multiple guide combs and an adjustable guide, achieving your desired length with precision is easy. The self-sharpening blades consistently deliver smooth cuts across all hair types without pulling or tugging, a feature that stands out against models that may struggle with thicker hair. Some things to keep in mind: the inability to use the trimmer while charging might disrupt some grooming routines. Also, while the guide combs are functional, they don't quite match the premium feel of the main unit, and the travel lock can be easily misplaced due to its compact size. These minor issues rarely detract from the trimmer's core performance and durability. Really, the combination of power and precision makes this tool great for grooming enthusiasts. Professional barbers trust it for its consistent performance and comprehensive attachment system. If you want a versatile trimmer that delivers professional-grade results for all your grooming needs, this Wahl model is worth considering. You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Number 3. The Philips Norelco 9000 Beard Trimmer is a great choice for those seeking precision and comfort in grooming. Its precision, steel blades, and innovative beard sense technology cater to individuals with uneven trimming challenges or sensitive skin, ensuring a smooth experience. A highlight is its smart motor, which automatically adjusts power to match beard density, providing uniform results whether handling light stubble or thick growth. This adaptability offers a more personalized trimming experience compared to the Wahl stainless steel cordless beard trimmer, known for its precision and power. Improving user control, the trimmer features a responsive zoom wheel with 30 settings ranging from 0.2 millimeters to longer beard lengths, allowing for easy maintenance of various styles without switching attachments. This versatility is comparable to the Wahl's extensive control options, but simplifies the process with fewer accessories. Built with durability in mind, the trimmer is waterproof, making it suitable for use in the shower or for easy cleaning at the sink, similar to the Meridian body hair trimmer's waterproof design. Its efficient power usage is impressive, offering 2 hours of operation from a 1-hour charge, lasting several weeks of regular use, akin to the Wahl's long-lasting battery. The trimmer's self-sharpening blades are engineered to prevent pulling and tugging, even on thicker hair, maintaining their sharpness over time. The Groom Tribe app further improves the experience by providing AR-powered previews of beard styles, helping users visualize changes before committing. Although the single guard attachment is effective, some users might prefer multiple guard options, like those available with the Wahl trimmer. Also, the travel case, though sturdy, doesn't accommodate the charging cable, which could be a minor inconvenience for frequent travelers. These points but do not detract significantly from its overall performance. The trimmer's precision and reliability makes it useful for grooming enthusiasts. Professional stylists appreciate its consistent cutting ability and longevity, while home users appreciate its straightforward maintenance. For those seeking professional-grade results with optimal skin comfort, this trimmer is a great choice. All product details are available through the link in the description. Number 2. The Olov Electric Body Hair Trimmer provides a refreshing solution for those tired of the discomfort and cuts from traditional razors in sensitive areas. With its advanced ceramic blade technology, it prioritizes skin safety while delivering precise trimming, similar to the Meridian body hair trimmer's emphasis on protecting delicate regions. Its versatility really makes this trimmer stand out. It comes with a variety of attachments, including specialized heads for different body areas and adjustable guards for exact length control. The ceramic blades are designed to stay sharp and operate cooler than metal ones, significantly reducing skin irritation, which is crucial for sensitive zones. This feature recalls the Philips Norelco 9000's self-sharpening blades that also aim to minimize irritation. A major strength is its fully waterproof design, allowing for use in the shower and easy cleaning, mirroring the Meridian's waterproof feature. The ergonomic grip ensures natural hand positioning for better control during detailed grooming. Its rechargeable battery provides consistent performance throughout grooming sessions, like the reliable battery life of the Wahl stainless steel cordless beard trimmer. However, there are some things to keep in mind. The ceramic blades, while excellent for skin protection, require careful handling as they may be affected by drops. Also, while the trimming guards are useful, getting used to different length settings may take some practice, like the learning curve with the Philips Norelco's zoom wheel settings. The trimmer excels in delivering consistent cutting performance without hair pulling or snagging, a feature shared with the Wahl trimmer's precision. Its quiet operation makes the grooming experience better, especially during morning routines. The wet-dry functionality provides flexibility in grooming approaches. This trimmer is exceptional for those wanting skin-friendly precision for regular body grooming. Grooming professionals appreciate its reliable performance across various hair textures and types. If you're looking for a body trimmer that combines gentle operation with dependable results, this model is worth serious thought. You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Number 1. The Bomic Manscape 2-in-1 Ball Trimmer improves personal grooming with its advanced dual-blade technology. Its carefully crafted design for sensitive areas features both ceramic and foil blades, letting you switch easily based on your grooming needs. This adaptability is like the Olov electric body hair trimmer's focus on sensitive area protection, but the Bomic offers a unique dual-blade advantage. When it comes to what's important, safety and comfort are key. The innovative R-shaped blade configuration greatly reduces the risk of cuts, while the powerful motor efficiently handles coarse hair without discomfort. The built-in skin safety features give great results, especially in sensitive areas where precision is crucial. This is like the Meridian body hair trimmer's focus on skin protection, but with a more advanced blade system. The trimmer's build quality stands out with its IPX7 waterproof certification, so you can use it in the shower without worry. The integrated LED light really helps with visibility, and the strong battery gives plenty of use after a USB-C charging session. This waterproof design is similar to the Philips Norelco 9000's convenience, making grooming easy. One drawback is that the included oil bottle is quite small, meaning you'll need to buy more blade oil. This is a small issue compared to the Wahl stainless steel cordless beard trimmer's inability to use while charging, which shows the Bomic's overall practicality. The trimmer's special features go on. Interchangeable heads work for different body areas, and the travel lock stops it from turning on by accident during transport. The well-balanced design gives good control, and the very quiet operation is great for early morning grooming, like the Olov's quiet performance. Amazing. This trimmer is great at giving precise, safe grooming results for regular upkeep. It's especially helpful for those who've had sensitivity issues or struggled with hard-to-reach spots. If you're looking for a reliable grooming tool that balances comfort with performance, this trimmer is worth a look. You can find all the product details through the link in the description.